Hi, I'm Pam Banky, Director of Product Marketing at KnowledgeLake, and I'm joined by Ron, our CEO.
Hey
Ron,
Pam.
thanks for the time today. How
Hey,
are
thanks
you?
for having me today.
Great. So I'd like to take this opportunity to ask your thoughts about AI and our new position.
Yeah, it's and this is a deep topic, Pam. We implement a lot of AI in our platform, but probably the best and easiest to understand example of intuitive AI is how our platform provides deep document understanding. So today's enterprise customers are specifically seeking to increase their operational efficiency, and the intuitive AI that's built into the Knowledge Lake platform can understand and process documents with literally zero training. It's a huge labor savings for our customers. So when you present a document to Knowledge Lake, it can understand the content that's contained in the document with zero training. And we recently saw one customer save 92% in labor costs by implementing our intuitive AI. And there's a lot more, but this document understanding is an area where we really excel.
That's wonderful, Ron. Very exciting. And in terms of the Knowledge Lake platform, what sets the platform apart in the market, and how do its unique features align with evolving needs of modern businesses?
Yeah, another great question, and there's a lot here. I'll give a couple of answers here. I'd say first, Knowledge Lake is a we're a complete platform, not just a point solution. So the market is filled with component technologies that have to be sort of integrated together, glued together, and that sometimes creates fragility, and it's frustrating for enterprises to have to maintain those points of integration. So the Knowledge Lake platform combines uh, intelligent document processing, IDP, robotic process automation, RPA, workflow, and content management into one seamless platform solution. So we really do have the ability to eliminate a lot of that fragility, if you will, in solution building. Second, I'd make another big point of Knowledge Lake being 100% a cloud platform. And this is an important point because today's modern businesses are interested in downsizing a lot of the data center footprint and leveraging cloud platforms wherever it's possible, to reduce their dependence on hardware and reduce their administrative costs. But probably the most important aspect here is speeding implementation. So there's no longer a need to stand up hardware and deploy the operating systems and all the technology that's necessary for the platform to live. It's all just available on demand. And third, I would say that it's important to know that Knowledge Lake is a complete no-code solution with very little, if any, training required. And that's why we call it intuitive AI, because it's intuitive to use. And today's modern businesses aren't interested in maintaining, the expensive and really deeply skilled technology professionals just to build and own an automation solution. And the recent advancements in the AI technologies have really provided Knowledge Lake the ability to deliver some really high quality, effective solutions with really zero coding required. It's really a interesting world we live in these days.
It really is. It's amazing. And I know a lot of CEOs, CIOs are looking at a lot of different offerings out there. So from your perspective as CEO, what are the most significant challenges and opportunities that a business can face when adopting enterprise automation at scale? And how is Knowledge Lake positioned to navigate those effectively?
Yeah, another great question, and I'll just unpack a couple of points here. There's a lot. You could write a book on this topic, but I would say first, it's no secret that every enterprise struggles with, owning and maintaining their core line of business systems, their ERP, if you will, and the other many generally technologies that make their business run. And at Knowledge Lake, we have many different ways to integrate process automation benefits right into existing technology stacks. So one example of how we do that is, as I mentioned, RPA, robotic process automation. The Knowledge Lake platform has a very advanced cloud-based RPA engine built right into its core. and it's just included. You just get it. So you don't have to, add one or try to bolt it in. It's just provided as seamlessly as part of the platform. Huge, very effective way to get immediate results with integration. But another great example on the integration side are our REST APIs, which, from a technology perspective, this is probably the very best and most reliable way to integrate anything between two systems. So, the Knowledge Lake platform is an API first platform. So, we started building APIs first. So, they are there and they are ready to be used. They're extremely reliable. And using today's AI engines, they can actually speed the development of the API coding, so they can actually handle a lot of that work. So it's tremendously productive to use our REST APIs. But most importantly, the thing I would say on this topic is uh, performance and reliability. So the Knowledge Lake platform at its core is architected using a world-class microservices architecture, and we run on Microsoft Azure at our core. So we're built by definition for extreme workloads and specifically for high availability. And we're extremely confident in our architecture and that we can meet the scalability requirements of the world's largest enterprises. We have many examples of very large organizations processing millions of transactions per month, and very highly reliable. And we're very proud of that.
That's wonderful, Ron. Thank you. And thank you for sharing your insights with us. It's always a pleasure to chat with you.
Thanks, Pam. It's good to see you today.
And you too. Everyone else, please visit knowledgelake.com, learn more about our intuitive AI powered automation platform. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.